What's good, kings and queens, and welcome back to another video. Do you guys notice something different about me? I mean, my hair is motherfucking laid. I have been with that same hairstyle that I had before I got this done for about 2 months. My hair was so ratted, I was about to start it was about to start dreading up on me. I was about to start having dreads because I didn't want to take my braids out. And the reason why I didn't want to take my braids out, because I don't mind rocking a fro, but as you guys know, duh, I am a drag entertainer, and like trying to put a huge afro under a wig, it's kind of hard. So I kept the braids in so it'll be easy for me to put wig caps on and put the wigs on. But yeah, so that's the reason why I had those braids in, but I'm super happy with how these turned out. I will link in my description box down below if you're in the Bay Area where I got my hair done. It's this business called Book It to Look It, and they do hair in Oakland. I think they travel other places as well, but as you can see, I hit them up and they totally slayed my hair, and I am super excited and super happy about it, and I'm really pleased with the results. They also do nails, weaves, and all that type of stuff. They do everything. I would totally check them out if you're in the Bay Area, if you guys want to get your hair done. Normally my sister does my hair, but my sister lives in Sacramento, so it's hard for me to get to her every now and again. I don't really trust anyone else in my hair but my sister. However, you know, things happen and sometimes I'm just not able to get down there. So I had to find something closer to home so I can get my hair done when I really need it done. And Book It to Look It was there for me, and I want to say thank you so much for taking care of me. Love you, sister. You always got my back, but I had to go somewhere else this time around. Yeah, just saying. This past Friday, I had so much fun. Like, it was like, yo, I can't even put it into words. I had so much fun. I had so much going on. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to Kipper here in San Francisco. She is an amazing person. She is a seamstress. Her work is absolutely gorgeous. It speaks for itself. She actually made me a dress, and I was able to pick that up on Thursday, and I was able to wear it out Friday night, and I got so many compliments, so thank you so much, Kipper. But I'm gonna stop rambling because I tend to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my base and my eye off camera, and I'll be back to show you how to achieve the look once I figure out what the look is gonna be. Happy holidays. All right, you guys, I am back. As you can see, I went ahead and did one eye off camera. I did my base, and this is the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt to recreate that on the other eye and show you guys exactly what I did. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit closer, not too close. I know that sometimes when I zoom you guys in, I'm always like below the camera, so I'm gonna try to keep this like a little bit, you know, together. Oh, different palettes. Of course, I'm gonna use my trusty dusty James Charles palette, as well as the Morphe 39A palette. I've had this palette for a long time, but just never really use it. So let's open the James Charles palette up. And the first color I'm gonna go in with is yellow. Now this color is honestly just gonna act as a transition color. It's just gonna peek up out at the top. You're not gonna be really able to see too much of the yellow. As you can see on this side, you see a little bit up here, but it's not really a dominant color. So we're gonna dip in, and we're just gonna go ahead and start to pat that color up here. You want to kind of go over the eyebrow area. It's okay if it gets a little messy because we're going to go back in and clean it up later, but we just want that color to be prominent. We can wing her out a little bit. We want to go ahead and use patting motions like this. We don't want to really kind of dig up in there because we don't want to disrupt the glue. We'll get there once we lay more color on, but for right now, let's go ahead and just dab it on like you're dabbing on all those motherfucking haters. I'll be wasted. I'll be getting drunk like never before until I can't face it. Awesome. Now that we have that yellow laid down, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start to blend in some orange. We want to blend in some orange so we can get a cool little gradient. And of course, Thanksgiving, don't you just think of like orange and like fall and leaves and like, oh, I just love fall. And we're going to sweep this. onto the lid. So we're gonna kind of create like a cat eye shape with this orange color. Cool beans. So now that we have that yellow and that orange blended onto the eye, creating kind of like a cat eye shape, we're gonna start getting into the deeper colors. We're gonna start getting into some more brown colors. So I'm gonna take that same brush. We're mixing colors up, y'all. Mixing colors, it's okay. We're blending up as we go. All right, as you guys know, we laid down that color. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna go in with an even darker brown. Sleeping on different sides, problems we can't ignore. But I've been so caught up in getting I'm now gonna go in with an even smaller blending brush. It's like a crease brush, but it's really small. I'm gonna take some black and start blending some black as well. Now that we have our colors laid down, we're gonna do my favorite part. We're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna go ahead and take the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Drug Lord. Now, I personally do not like to set my concealer or set my eyeshadow base because I like the shadows to stick to it. So with this base down, now that it's a little bit wet, the eyeshadow can grab onto it and stick and create more pigment. So now that we have our base laid down, go ahead and take an orange shade. We're going to literally just pack that color right here. So baby, if you're walking out the door, I'll be wasted. I'll be getting drunk like never before until I can't face it. The setup might look a little bit different. I had to delete some stuff off of my camera because my memory card was full. Anyway, let's get back into the eye makeup. So we have the orange, the light orange on here. We have the dark reddish orange here. And now in that center portion, we want to put a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to take like my flash palette. I'm going to take the black shade. And I'm going to carefully start to outline the shape. Carefully. We're now going to take a small brush like this and just blend around the edges. Lately I've been feeling like you don't want my love no more, no more. Sleeping on different sides, problems. Black blended around the eye. We're gonna have some fun now. We're just gonna start building more saturation. So I'm gonna take a red shade and literally just block that red shade on the outskirts of this. Just, you know, up into the eyebrow here, all up in here. And we're literally just creating more depth, more drama, more color, more Thanksgiving vibes. Cool, guys. Now that we had that eye, the eye is almost complete now. So now we're gonna take some eyeliner, some liquid eyeliner, and create some liner. Lately I've
been feeling like I don't recognize myself, yeah. 'Cause I've been working late nights, hoping I can buy some time.
Guys, and honestly, this is the eye complete. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on an eyelash, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pop on a contact, and then we're gonna go ahead and complete the rest of the face. All right, I am back. I went ahead and popped in some contacts, and I went ahead and put on my lashes, and this is the, well, it's not really the complete look because I forgot to show you guys how I did the lower lash line, which is pretty simple. Let's get into that lower lash line.
I'll be getting drunk like never before until I can't face it. I don't want your sympathy, I don't need a friend. I just wanna hold you and feel something again. If you're walking now that door.
So I went ahead and zoomed you guys out a little bit. So this is honestly almost a completed look. I'm just gonna go ahead and, well, it's the completed eye look. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I want to let you guys go ahead and sit and enjoy that. So the rest of this tutorial is going to be a speed through, so enjoy.
Lately I've been feeling like you don't want my love no more, no more. Sleeping on different sides, problems we can't ignore. Oh, but I've been so caught up in getting my paycheck, I can't even focus. How do we talk when there's nothing that makes sense? Yeah, I don't even know. So baby, if you're walking out the door, I'll be wasted. I'll be getting drunk like never before until I can't face it. I don't want your sympathy, I don't need a friend. I just wanna hold you and feel something again. If you're walking out that door, I'll be wasted. I'll be. Lately I've been feeling like I don't recognize myself, yeah. 'Cause I've been working late nights, hoping I can buy some time. Oh, but I've been so caught up in getting my paycheck, I can't even focus. How do we talk when there's nothing that makes sense? Yeah, I don't even know. So baby, if you're walking out the door, I'll be wasted. I'll be getting drunk like never before until I.
All right, you guys, that's it for this look today. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and throw on like a look, and I'll come back with the final transformation. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating this fall inspired Thanksgiving look. However, I know this look is probably giving you more like Phoenix or Fire Red, but I wanted to kind of give you the earthy tones to stay in that family. I'm completely obsessed with it. I was getting a little bit tired of giving you guys like a purple, blue, smoky eye. So I was like, let's change it up and give those something different. And plus Thanksgiving is right around the corner. So I was like, let's go ahead and give you something, you know, Thanksgiving-ish. Girl-ish, because this is totally a lot going on here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up because I would greatly appreciate it. And also go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed already, because I would love to have you a part of this family here. And I also want you guys to go ahead and give me suggestions down in the comments, because I want to like do looks that you want me to do, not just things that I want to do. I want to make this more of a collaborative effort. So go ahead and let me know what you guys want me to do down in the comment section down below. And if you have not already, please go ahead and click that bell so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. I love you guys all so much. I'm having so much fun with these videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.